In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll have your OneDrive connection set up inside Notion so you can smoothly bring files and folders into your workspace without juggling tabs or downloading copies. Start by opening Notion and heading to Settings. You'll usually find this by selecting the gear icon or opening the main menu, depending on your device. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Connection. This area is where Notion manages integrations with other apps and services, so it's the perfect place to add OneDrive. Next, choose Browse Connection in Gallery. This opens Notion's official gallery of integrations. Think of it as a curated catalog. Everything here is designed to work with Notion, with clear descriptions and permission details so you know exactly what you're enabling. In the gallery, find OneDrive. You can scroll or use the search bar to get there faster. Make sure you're selecting the official OneDrive integration, which should show a recognizable icon and a description indicating it connects Microsoft's cloud storage to Notion. If you're unsure, take a moment to read the overview on that page. It will explain what the integration can do and what access it needs. Click on OneDrive to open its details page. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection and device, this can take a few seconds. If you see a spinner or a brief delay, that's normal. Avoid refreshing the page so the setup can complete properly. If your internet is spotty, waiting an extra moment often resolves the loading step on its own. Once the page has fully loaded, click Add to Notion. This is the action that links the integration to your workspace. In some cases, a prompt may appear explaining the permissions or asking you to confirm access. Read through any on-screen details so you understand what's being shared. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you're adding the integration to the correct one. After you've added it, you should see OneDrive listed under your connections and settings. That's your confirmation that the link is active. From here, you'll be able to use OneDrive content inside Notion, where it's supported, keeping your documents in sync at the source rather than creating duplicates. If the integration doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening settings, or verify you're in the intended workspace. Workspace permissions can vary, so if you're part of a team plan, make sure you have the ability to add connections. And that's it.